Hi guys, Powder River Mandarin here. Consider this a rare occasion because I don't do videos, but because Wyoming James is out of town doing real estate, and Dawson, the favorite son, decided to take the weekend off before he heads off to college. So you get me. I did my regular feedings this morning, feeding and watering. Everybody looks good. Little heads up on our little guy that everybody is so curious about. He's doing, or she is doing really, really well. I thought if I stuck him in a bin with a bunch of the smaller ones, or the females I'm guessing, that maybe he wouldn't, or she wouldn't get picked at. But as you can see, they pick all the feathers off. So we're a little bald here. But overall, walking around just fine, watering, feeding. Lays down a little more than the others, but overall doing really good. So we'll see how that one pans out. We had intentions today to take the birds out into the garden. We didn't do a garden this year. Well, it just didn't happen. I graduated and I went through my national registry and testing for that, along with both of us starting new jobs. So it didn't happen, which I'm a little disappointed because it's feeling fall and I feel like I should start canning things. So it's a little bit different, but there's still a lot of foliage out there. So we had thought it would be a good idea to get those birds out there, let them rummage and forage around, but it ended up being 100 degrees today, and that's just a little too much for them right now. They're still growing. I mean, and I'm sure they would have been fine for a short period of time, but I don't have waters or anything set out there, and so I thought, let's just keep them inside. We'll regulate their temperature a little bit better. We'll just plan it for another day that's a little bit cooler. So they seem to be all right with that. We're running at about, when I came up here it was about 88 degrees. We're running at about 82 right now, and they just seem fine. They're a little lethargic, kind of in a food coma, but everybody seems to be doing really, really well. One of the things I wanted to show everybody is they're getting to that point now where you're starting to notice the difference between the males and the females. All of them can have the comb, but the males tend to be a little bit more dominant and a little bit more distinct, and you can tell that. Not to mention they're bigger and they have more attitude. So, but let me find one here and I'll show you. Oh. How about you? Okay, so this one here, if you can see, smile for the camera, definitely has a much more, we're running out of focus here, a much more distinct comb. See if I move in slow, if it wasn't going to do that. There you go. So, anyways, I think he's afraid of the camera. He's steering clear. But anyway, so you can see that a little bit more dominant on some of them than others. And he's heavier. I also want to try to get you guys some weights today. I know that we did this 3, maybe 4 days ago. Dawson did. And they're doing great. We were, running some 12, 13-ounce birds, which I went back on the videos last year, and it was probably day 20 when we were in that 12 to 14-ounce range. So here we are, day 17, and I'm really curious to see where we are. So stand by. Okay, we're going to start with a smaller one. Let's try maybe you. Hold on. I know you don't like this idea, do you? Okay, so stay. Lose somewhere a little over 12 ounces. Nice job, Mr. or Mrs. Okay, so let's see who's next. Ooh, you're about an average, maybe. Let's try you. And you're kind of fuzzy, and I think you're pretty. Oh, yeah, nice, right in there. Pushing 14. We are really close. Okay. Now let's go with one of these big old boys over here in the man cave. I'm thinking I might have to hang up some pictures of some hot chicks over here, because this is where they all hang out. Come here, guys. Ooh, who do we want? Who do we want? Who's the winner? How about you? Oh! All right, stay in there, mister. I know you don't like this idea. Hang on, hang on. Stay, stay. Woohoo! We are looking at almost 17 ounces. Look at him. Now that he knows what he's supposed to do, he just hangs out. All right, let's get you back in. All right, so there you have it. There's some averages of what we've got going on for weights right now. Doing awesome. Awesome.